welcome back to another vlog. Y'all saying welcome back feels so evil and sinister because it has been so long since you guys see me. We have so much catching up to do. I've been debating, do I want to catch up in this vlog or do I want to do a chit chat, get ready with me? I miss you guys so bad. I missed you girls. Give me a hug type shit. I just got back from getting my toes done, and when I tell you guys, I don't remember the last time I left a pedicure this much. These toes are so stinking cute. I got bubble bath. I always do a baby pink or French tip. I'm sorry, but baby pink absolutely devours white toes. Like right now we are at the mall because I need to run into Sephora and pick up a new Makeup by Mario powder. Yesterday I was doing my makeup, that dropped and spilled everywhere. The little filter in it that's supposed to control how much powder comes out literally dropped out, and there was powder everywhere, y'all. Like on my white robe, on the floors, on my vanity, in my drawers, powder everywhere. I was so pissed off. There's still some powder on my floor right now. Like I was too irritated. Recently I've been wearing this yellow tone concealer, and the Makeup by Mario peach shade looks so good over it, especially with that cream blush. Like it's just so beautiful. I need that tonight, so let's go run in and pick it up.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please take her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play.
Now we are in Makiyah. I originally came in here for one thing, and I have 3 things to try on now, but that is because they did not have the one thing I needed in stock. I want a basic black tee, and I really love their Sunday's Best collection, but they don't have anything in store. So I want to try this dress. It's such a cute satin halter dress, but the thing is, their sizes are not consistent. They didn't have the size that I think I am in stock in most of the dresses, so I literally have to get a 0 in this, a 0 in this, and a 2 in this. So we'll see which one I am, and then if they don't have that size in stock in store, then I'll just order it. But I'm super excited. We have a mirror. This is like my second time coming here and getting a dressing room with a mirror. So now I'm wondering, do all the dressing rooms have mirrors, or do I just get lucky? But anyways, I have a vacay coming up soon, so let's try these and see what they're giving. This is the dress. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Like I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna show the mirror in a second, but like I'm really excited to see it in the teal shade because this is just gorgeous. You know, my skin tone, like the neutral. Now this is a size 0, so the 2 is definitely going to be too big. I'm thinking the 00 will be a really pretty fit, just so it can be a little bit more snug at the waist and I get more of that like hourglass look. But this is so pretty, especially from the back. Like look how it just sits on my body. Oh my gosh, Tutti. I love this. I love this. You're coming home with me. Yes. Okay, I'm leaving here with something. This is so cute. Okay, now so I have on the 00 now, and I'm standing like this because I cannot get the buttons with my nails. Like it was such a struggle that I just tied it. But because I tied it now and it's so tight right here, I cannot even like sit up straight. Like the posture is getting hunchback, but it's just because I can't get it with my nails. But anyways, this is the 00, and I don't know what it is. Maybe because this one has less fabric. Okay, I didn't like that. But anyways, y'all, because it has less fabric, I just don't like the way it sits on my body. Like I feel like the one that was a little bit bigger just draped over me so well versus this one that's not giving me that same wow effect. So I'm definitely going with the other tan neutral shade we just put on because that one was tense all across the board. Like I loved it. The teal was cute though, but I do have like a couple dresses this color, so I don't really think I need another one. The neutrals on the other hand, we could always use some more. What up, y'all? We just got to Ulta. We just got to Ulta. I'm about to head in right now. I'm looking for the Solterra body oil because I'm looking for a really, really good, like, juicy, glowy body serum that's gonna make me glow on vacation. So hopefully the Solterra one is good because I've been seeing a lot of reviews on TikTok. All the girls are swatching it on their legs and it looks glistening and it looks beautiful and bronze and tan. So I'm hoping that's a good one. I was also thinking of picking up the Fenty Body Lava, but it's like $60, $70 for some body glow. Like I need a little bit more convincing, just a little bit before I get that. So I was like, let me just settle, not even settle because the Solterra one is a good option, but let me just try out the Solterra one first and then I'll see how that works and if it gives me the glow I'm looking for, because I am going on a little weekend trip. I really want to be glowy and beautiful, you know? And when I tell you guys, I literally had to drive like 30 minutes to this Ulta because my Ulta that's only 5 minutes away from me did not have one. And I wonder if they have different shades. Like, can I get a really dark bronze one? I'm not sure if they do though. Excuse my language, but it is so hot outside. Like, hot as hell today. It's about 97 degrees. My lip products are melted. Like literally the lip products in my bag. I just opened up my favorite right now. Let me show y'all. Where is it? Baby, I just picked up something totally different. Okay, this Makeup Revolution lip mask, I love it because it has that pink, like reddish tint to it, so it looks like you have some color on your lips, and it's super moisturizing. But I just opened this and it started oozing out. Oozing out, baby. She's melting in here. She's burning up. And we're in the car. We're literally in the car. So I don't know why it got so hot. Like before I left, I had to fill my wallet up with some ice water. Like it's filled to the brim. And you hear that? The ice is melted, baby. Ice is done. Like, let's go. Let's go right now because it's getting hot. And I had to turn off the AC in order to vlog and talk to y'all, baby. We gotta go. So this is the regular one. No sunscreen. And this is the sunscreen one. And they have different scents. Love that. Let me look it up. Okay guys, so I just got out of Ulta and I decided to get the one without SPF because I searched it on TikTok. I did my quick little 5-minute research while I was standing there in the middle of the aisle and the girls were not liking the SPF one. So I said, give me this. I will put on my SPF separately, okay? I'll do a cute little spray on top of the glow that I already have from this one. And I think that'll be better anyway. So I'm really excited to try it. Look how pretty. So stinking cute. Should I try it today after I get out the shower? No, I want it all over my sheets. Maybe tomorrow or something. I gotta wear something skimpy so I can try it. Good morning, everybody. I just got up not too long ago. But y'all, we got a package in from Amazon, so we have to open it right now. I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure yesterday I mentioned to you guys that I am going on a little weekend trip. I don't think I told y'all where though. The girls are going to Miami, okay? And I'm so sick and excited. So I've been buying little things. I had a Fashion Nova package come in yesterday. I would try it on for y'all, but I'm gonna take pictures in it and they are just too tea to spoil, okay? Like, I can't show y'all yet. But anyways, this just has like a little cute clutch in here and then I think some earrings. So let's see how they look. Oh no. I'm scared, y'all. I thought the earrings were gonna be a lot bigger than this. So the fact that they can fit in this little box is concerning. I don't know about that, child. The purse is in here. Let's see, because I have ordered a clutch from Amazon before. It was given real cheap. Plastic. I wasn't feeling it, but it's like, you get what you pay for. If I want a Cult Gaia quality, I should have bought Cult Gaia. But, you know. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Okay, this is a little clutch. I feel like it'll be super cute for the beach. On this vacation, on my next vacation, this is just like a cute little clutch to have. Ooh, it's cute and the quality does not feel too cheap or plasticky at all. I need to put this on my storefront for y'all. I'm pretty sure it comes with a chain as well. Also, y'all, you guys know sometimes I slack when it comes to the Amazon storefront, but recently I've been updating her. I've been adding things. So if you want to shop my accessories and stuff like that, check her out because she's pretty up to date right now. But hold on, how come I can't get this open? Like, which way does it open? How do I open this? I'm scared. How do I open this? I want to break a nail. The nails are press-ons, by the way, also from Amazon. But I don't want to pop out. Oh. That was mad simple. She's magnetic. Yes, this is quality. Okay, Amazon, period. Okay, she's cute. It comes with a chain, but honestly, I think the chain makes it look even cheaper. Like, I can't see myself using this chain. I think I'm just gonna hold it. Do we see the vision? Like, this is cute. I actually really like this. Like, I had some more that I was looking at too. I think I have to pick them up now because this one is a good find. I like her. Now to the earrings that we got. These are starfish earrings. Like, they're tiny. Well, let me see. Okay, I'm dropping bags. Bumbleclad. Boy. Hold on. I cannot wait to take these nails off. Like, they're cute and all, and they've lasted a good 2 weeks. I didn't link my glue on that storefront because the glue I've been using is so strong. Like, it's been 2 weeks, only one nail has popped off. I'll put her right back on. But the rest of them are intact. Okay, so these are the earrings. I don't know. Like, do I like her? She's cute, I guess. Like, she ain't all that, but she's cute. I'm not like head over heels with her like I am with that bag, but you know, She might add to a cute little look. Let me see if I put them together. She might do it. Like, I'm not in love with her per se, but it is what it is. Hey girl, so it's currently a few hours later, right? And I'm sitting here, I'm like, hold on, today is Wednesday, right? I leave for my trip on Friday, so that means I have Wednesday and Thursday to go. And I didn't do anything productive regarding my trip today. I unpackaged those things and that was it. Like, I think I should start packing from now because tomorrow's gonna be more of a prep day. Tomorrow I have to get my wax and I have to do my nails. Y'all know I have been loving doing my gel manicures at home, so I'm so excited to do that. We're going red, okay? Red has really grew on my list for colors on my nails. I absolutely love the red that I've been using, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm sitting here like, maybe I should start packing, get some outfits together. I just finished studying for my NCLEX, y'all. Whoa. Child, okay. NCLEX studying is going okay, but it is so tiring. Like, I'm so over it. I want to be done. I don't want to rush the studying process, but I do want the test over with. But at the same time, I'm scared to take the test, so it's just a double-edged sword. But I got some studying done. I watched a lecture, and now I think I'll start to pack for my trip. It's a little cute weekend, so it's nothing crazy, but I need to get those outfits together. Okay, y'all, so we got another Amazon package today. Like, we are just getting packages all over from Amazon. But, y'all, these are, like, the snowy inserts that I've been seeing on TikTok because I wanted to give the girls a little bit of a lift. The only thing that sucks with that is that you can't see my piercings through them, obviously, but it was worth a try. Because recently I've been wearing so many tops I cannot wear a bra with, and it's just like the girls can use a little lift or whatever. These are not even the real snowy inserts. These are literally whatever I could find on Amazon because I needed it to come fast. So let's see what it's giving. Okay, they're sticky, obviously. This looks like it's gonna be like big. This looks like it's gonna give big boobs. Hold on, like big boobs. What? Child. Anyway, so it's giving that. Okay, hold on, let me try. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh my gosh, what? Hold on. I need to put bikini on and try it. Like they be doing in them TikTok ads. Hold on. I need to try again. On the other side. How do I preserve these, y'all? Like, how are you supposed to store them? I gotta take this side and put it. Just a second, sweetie. Wait, hold on. I feel like the shape of it is just not cupping my boobs well, which is why I said I'm gonna try it in a bikini. But like, not for nothing. It's giving big boobs, like. No, these is coming with me. No. I need to figure out how to make these work because, like, hold on. Y'all would have believed this? Like, oh yes. Take us so no better and get us a massive titties. Yes. Like, I just need to change my shirt, but this is working, y'all. Like, these need to go on my storefront too. I'm shook. I am so stinking shook. I need to try the bikini. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I have them on. It's giving real big titties, double titties. But the pad is just way too big. Like, you can see the outline of it. So I'm wondering if I should cut it. Like, I need to look on TikTok and see if the girls have been cutting them to shape them because it's just too big. Like, it's showing all throughout the bikini. That's annoying. But other than that, like what Santana said, bounce. Like, no, this is crazy. Like, I want to wear them, but they need to be cut. I'm scared to cut them. Oh no, y'all.
Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping, sugar's on my mind.
What up, everybody? Your girl is so tired. It's literally 5 in the morning right now. I was about to say it's Thursday night, but technically it's Friday morning now. I'm about to get ready to go in like 45 minutes. You guys really didn't see me much today because all I did was go to the store and study for that nclex child. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go. I'm all packed. I just need to put like the last few things. This is my face wash that I got from my dermatologist. I did order some travel size containers, so I'm going to transfer some of that product into there. Gotta put my toothbrush in there, like little last minute things like that, girl. And then we're gonna get ready to head out. Yeah, whenever you see me in this robe, this is my bummy robe. This is a robe that I wear when I'm really not feeling like being cute and I just want to throw something on because it's black, so it never gets like dirty or anything, and it's just like mad chill. This is a robe I've had for like the longest time, so I always throw this on when I'm feeling lazy and bummy. But anyways, yeah, I was on the phone with my friend, right? Because there's this boy that I'm talking to. And why did I just do that? But whatever. So basically, I was talking to her about him, and I was just like, but I'm not telling him where I'm going because he does not need to know that she's that good. He doesn't. And I'm just wondering, is anybody else like that? Like me, if I'm talking to somebody, I'm not in a relationship with them, you're not gonna know everything I'm doing. You're not. I'm really just gonna get there and I'm gonna send a little selfie. Hey, but I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going. No, I like an element of surprise. Like one day I'm here, the next day I'm here. Like you just don't know what I'm up to. That's what I like. I like to keep some of my life private, bitch. But I just want to know, are y'all like that, or is that just me and my friend? Like, I don't care. You could call me right now and say, what am I doing? Not packing. I'm laying down. Like, what's up? I'm not telling you everything. I'm not. But anyways, I love you all. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Sorry for the skimpy little tiny vlog, but the girl got started somewhere, okay? Like, I'm getting the hang of this again. Just chill, girl. Just vibe. I'll see y'all in Miami, all right? I'm out here in Miami.